Okay, folks, I guess you're the video presentation right here on this website. And below is the 5 steps required for you to get your Instagram account prepared and ready for corporations to approach you to your email in order for them to sell their product and service on your Instagram account. But you need at least 50 to 100,000 followers. So below that review on the same website, you'll see the most highly recommended Instagram follower service. So I encourage you to sign up with them. They have different starter package, and they will get your Instagram account exploding fast with followers, and that will get your Instagram prepped and ready for corporations to consult you. So wish you all endeavors and your best in trying and going through this process. So also, if you don't, even if you have your own product and service, you can still use the Instagram follower adding service below on the same website, below the reviews for your own product and service. So encourage you to go through the reviews and also to sign up with the following service. So peace and out, and I wish you all the best in your business. All right. Thanks for coming by.